Hello and welcome back. So in this lecture we will cover some basic examples of HTML. So let's start this. First of all, we'll give it a title, HTML examples. Let's save this and open with our live server. So this is our title, HTML example that we'll write in our code editor here. So this is the title. So now change the title HTML course, save, and HTML course. So this is basically a title. Now we will, this is some heading. So this is heading 1, Control S. So this is heading 1, Control C. So basically we have 6 heading tags, H1 to H6. So let's see the difference. This is H2 tag, heading 2, H3, H3, H4, H5, H6, H4, H5, H6. So now change here H3. I want to show you the difference. So let's save this and in our browser. So this is heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. So you can see the difference. Okay. Now we will break the line. BR tag is used to break the line. And now we add a paragraph. So P tag is used for paragraph. This is paragraph. Let's save this and yeah, this is paragraph. Okay, this is an other paragraph. What is the block level element? Will in occur new line. So break the line. We'll add some padding. So this space is gone now. So BR tag is used to break the line. Now this is it break the line. So now what we're gonna do, we'll so this is anchor tag. It is used to create the link. So href refer the address where you want to go. So for example, we want to go to Google, www.google.com. So when we click on the link, our web page will redirect to the google.com. Okay, so this is Google link. Let's save this and open our browser. So this is Google link. This text display here, and when we click on this, it will redirect to the www.google.com. So when we click on this, it will redirect to the google.com. Okay, this is anchor tag. Now we want to, so when we click on link, it will open in new tab. So how we gonna do this? So let's target is equal to underscore blank. So when we click on the link, it will open a new tab. So this is Google link 2 and this is Google link 1. So when we break the line to understand it easily, so let's break the line, and now when we click on Google link 2, it will open in new tab. So the previous one will open in same browser, same tab, and this one will open in new tab. That's the difference between the above anchor tag and below anchor tag. So now One more thing is image. So image tag, we want to display the image in our web page. So we want to, in our source, we want to add the address of our image. So this is our image. So we need to provide the link for in source, so it will display in our web page. So now we're gonna when we write alt is equal to something, so the purpose for this alt is that when image is not available, the text will be shown. So we provide wrong address, so image not display, and so a text will display that we write here. Okay, break the line. Now this is button tag. To create button, click me. It will create a button. Click me. Click the line. So now it looks clear. Click me. And one more thing, copy this and paste it here. So now we want to create list. So this is unordered list, and this is the list. Coffee. Next is tea and milk. So it will create our list. So that's it for this video. We cover some basics. I will see you in my next one.